Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Bath and Body Works scammer watches her lies fall apart. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On March 17, 2024, officers responded to a Bath and Body Works for a call of retail theft.
Hello. Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries.
How you doing?
Good. All right, so what's going on or what happened?
Did somebody call cops?
No, a customer did.
Oh, it's them.
Oh,
Yeah.
because she saw those girls.
We didn't call them.
We didn't call. We didn't call.
So they didn't
No,
take
we
anything?
didn't.
Oh, yeah, they did.
We didn't call.
Oh, they
We
did.
promise. No, we
Here's
didn't.
our wall.
A customer told us that they were going to call
One of the girls called. One of those
And
girls
she went
saw,
to call.
but we never called.
Yeah, so customer.
A customer saw.
Okay, I need one person to talk at a time right now. Okay.
One of the customers came and told me that she used to work for a retail company. She's like,
Okay.
this and this. I can tell that they're stealing. I was like, thank you for letting me know. We're already aware.
Hey,
Huh?
hi. Did he tell you to come in here? Or?
No, I'm trying to figure out what is they
Okay.
all whispering about us.
Okay, can you step outside for me? I'm trying to figure that out with them right now, okay?
Why they gotta whisper behind people
They're
back
not
and
whispering,
lie?
okay? They're
No, they
talking.
have. They was doing it all while we was in the store.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm
When
trying
we
to talk.
came in here-
I'm trying to talk to them to figure it
don't have
out.
to yell,
Okay.
honey.
Well,
I
you're not letting me
apologize.
do my job right now. Can you please step
Okay,
outside so
I
I
will.
can talk to them?
Okay, and
Thank
I'm-
you.
yeah, 'cause
And then
I'm
I
gonna
will come
shut
explain
that.
everything to you,
Okay.
okay? But I gotta talk to them first.
They wanted to give me a sale price for my stuff.
Okay, all right. I'll figure it all out. I promise. I promise. Okay, you were saying?
So one of the ladies, blue sweater, I still remember her. She was from the manager because I know she's like I saw them put stuff in their bag, and I was trying to look for a manager. She's like to see if we could do something because
Yeah.
someone that wasn't a worker saw them. So I'm guessing that's the lady that called.
Okay.
But none of
And
us
she
called.
told me before she left, she's like, I just want to let you guys know I'm going to call the cops so they can deal with them. Yeah,
Gotcha.
and that's what she told me before she walked in. It was
You said you guys can't call the cops?
Did they have all three of them?
Interesting. Okay. So what? So we think that they put stuff in the bag, did an
They did.
exchange, and
They
didn't.
They did. They took stuff from our wall.
Our walls, our gift sets, our...
Okay, but so then did they go up to the front and like exchange something?
Trying to change, but we know they were taken, so she was upset right now that we changed the prices, which we did because she wasn't gonna get full price merchandise for something she tried to steal.
Okay. So did they? I'm trying to just figure. So they walked in with merchandise, took more merchandise from over there, and then went to the front and tried to exchange.
Yeah, they were carrying candles. They were carrying a bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Wallflower
Do you guys do
clubs.
any transaction exchange anything?
They were dealing with them. I don't know why they ended up taking and not taking because they weren't happy with what they were getting back.
I was just trying to acknowledge them every time they were around. I was like, "What do you need help?" And they're like, "Nope." I'm like,
Gotcha. Okay. Well, I will go see what they.
Are you as confused as I am? Like, what is going on? Like, I'm so confused. So many people is talking. Even the lady that is talking, she ain't even making no sense for real. But shout out Bath and Body Works. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Gotta have that smell good, man. Yo, listen. Bath and Body Works, it don't matter. It's not only a women's store, fellas. Y'all could go in there and get y'all smell good. Y'all house shouldn't be smelling like ass. You know what I'm saying? Go in there, get you some nice candles, get you some nice plugins. They even got the joints for the car. You know what I'm saying? Get right. Get right, man. You know, invite a little shorty over. Got the house smelling all good, you know? I love Bath and Body Works. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Fellas, go up in there, man. Especially if you on the hunt. Let's say you in the mall, you looking for some ladies. Listen, you go in Bath and Body Works. That's where all the ladies is at. I just put you on game. Man. But anyway, let's continue because I'm actually confused as to what is going on. But we're gonna continue and see what they talking about here. Hopefully, we could tie this all together and come to some resolution.
So what? Yeah, I'll need to figure out what any transaction that did happen up front. What if they exchanged something, if they bought something, whatever they did do at the register.
So what merchandise they exchange? I mean, how is that gonna help?
Because I need to know we have to be able to look in their bags and figure out
What they actually bought?
yeah, what they bought, what they came in with. Like I gotta, otherwise I don't know what they stole. There's no way. Can I just talk to you over here? Just wanna. You can set those down if you don't want to carry them. They look heavy. Okay. All right. So you said that you're admitting to doing something. What happened in the store?
All over $5.04.
What's
$5.04.
$5.04? What, I don't know what you mean by that.
I paid her. I thought I paid her the money.
Okay. What did you go into the store with?
Right here.
That's what
We
you
was
brought
returning.
into the store.
Yes, we was returning a lot of stuff, and I purchased some stuff separately with a gift card because I wanted it done separately.
Okay.
She rung up my stuff with my gift card. Then when they went to return my other stuff, she rung everything up for $5 because I didn't have the receipt for it. So she rung everything up for $5. I'm like, why is she trying to give me $5 for everything? And I told her I'm not gonna take no $5 for it because I put this stuff in my baskets and been selling it for the last 15 years. So I know how is everything $5? Every single item you just put $5. So basically she wanted to rip me off. I told her I'm taking all my stuff back and to put the stuff I purchased back on my card. Is what I told her.
I gave her, she put it back on the card. I ordered $5.
And she put it back on this card right here.
Okay. So, what if there's footage or witnessing that you guys put some of this merchandise you took off the shelves and it wasn't involved in any transaction? So, is there any merchandise in there that you didn't pay for or that wasn't involved in a transaction?
I was exchanging for it, but I didn't want to let me.
Yeah, so obviously there were some things that weren't exchanged. You guys have a lot of merchandise. So what I'm saying is, did any of this merchandise come from the shelves in there?
The only thing came from them shelves is what they rung up. Right here,
Okay.
and then they rung up a whole bunch of stuff.
So
for
you're
me.
saying this came from this store, correct?
They rung his candles up separately, and then they rung up a whole bunch of stuff for me, and then I returned it and told them to put it back on my
Okay,
card.
and so you left it at the front?
Yes,
Okay.
I told them to
And then
return
what's
it,
in
put it
this
on
bag?
This is all of the stuff I was bringing back.
All the stuff you're bringing
Yes.
back? Is it okay if I look in there?
No.
Okay. Well, there's a good chance we're going to have to look in there because it looks like that might be some of the items that they're saying that you guys took from the shelf in there and put into your bag.
What they say we took?
Or some gift sets in there.
I don't have any gift sets.
No?
That's a lie.
Okay.
That's a lie. This is all laundry detergent. So,
Okay.
and then I have receipts for the gift sets that I was returning. So,
Okay. Do you guys, do you like buy a lot of this stuff and then you like resell it or something?
yeah, I make baskets, and I've been making baskets.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna you guys hang tight. I'm gonna go talk to him again and try and figure out
I mean,
exactly what's going on.
And then my partner also was here, and she bought stuff too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
That was done on the separate.
They have like 4 or 5 different bags.
So in the big one that he had, the strawberry one is where he was loading all the gift sets.
Gotcha. Okay, and that is the only thing we're worried about is the gift sets. Because they have a lot of merchandise, so it's trying to figure out what did they walk in with and what did they.
Exchanges, and after a certain amount of time, like there's certain kind of IP, we scan it to tell them what they can get in return, and they don't like the answer, and if they don't have the receipts, then they try to
That's
argue.
what she was talking about with the $5. Okay, so but the gift sets is the only thing where you think that they took and
We
didn't.
think, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I will go.
Has she identified herself yet?
No, I didn't realize we didn't have that.
I told Kara her ID and she's refusing, so we'll just take her
Okay.
for that. It's
Okay.
gonna be like that.
Okay. What do we got in this bag?
Just the bags that I came up with right here.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4 bags.
All right. Can you just take that stuff out for me so we can make sure that none of that came from inside this store?
Who is they trying to say to? Like, what is they trying to say?
That
Ain't
things
them
were
the
taken
bags
and
that
not
you was
paid.
gonna bring back?
Right, these are the bags that I had already.
You're saying you came in with those bags?
Yeah.
Because it's cheaper now instead of getting the bags to do the buy three get two.
Give that picture, Sarge. Okay. So you're telling me you came into the store with those bags?
Yes.
That you didn't take them off the shelf?
Yes.
You have a receipt for those?
I came in the store with about.
So these items
Are these Bath and Body Works products?
Yep, those are
So
going
you
to be.
came into the store of Bath and Body Works
So we got the
products
pink
already?
one.
Were you looking to return them?
To exchange.
To exchange them? Did you
Yeah.
bring that up to them?
Right, the one.
You brought
Now
that
they talking about because he was over there looking at them. That's because we was matching the prices for what they was trying to tell us. When she returned the bags, she rung the bags up for $5 and I think $12.25. I told him go over there and see how much they is. And then I told her to.
Okay.
We didn't want. I told her to put all my stuff back on the gift
let's
card.
you told my boss that, you know, she wasn't involved. Just be honest. Did you take these off the shelf and put them in your bag?
No.
Okay, because we've got someone saying you did. You have them in your bag. It matches with the ones missing off there. This is going to get sorted out so much quicker if we're dishonest, you know?
Well, I mean, no, I didn't take them off the shelf.
Okay.
You actually have your ID on you?
I don't.
I'm asking you about today's purchases and you don't have any. 320?
All right, we're going to bring these in the store.
Yeah.
Get this sorted out, figure out if these came from this store. Do you guys, when you ring these up, are you able to see that they're from this store? Or just see the
No,
price?
they all make the same price.
Yeah.
They'll match.
Right, are you able to ring these up and get a receipt by any chance? Just showing the value of them?
Like, what do you mean?
Just
Like a training receipt to show the retail value.
I'm just super excited that you guys, the customer called and you guys were out there as they walked out. Because we knew from the get-go, when you walk in, there's two huge rumpled bags.
Yeah, but they don't really have no proof, no concrete evidence that they took the bags. They didn't even call the cops. Somebody else called the cops, and you guys are saying these are the bags that we think they took. There's no video footage, no nothing. Like, you gotta have some concrete. They didn't even see them take it. Now, I'm not saying, you know, they could have taken it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not leaving them innocent, but let's be honest here. There's no concrete evidence that these people took this stuff. And there's cameras in there. What? Nobody don't have access to no cameras footage or something? That's the only thing that I would kind of be questioning. And I'm like, they could kind of beat this. I ain't gonna lie.
When they know it makes it difficult for us to sort through and figure out, you know, okay, what did you actually come in with? But,
Exactly. And she might have more stuff too, because the cashier that was helping her was trying to do the return, and most of
Wait, this is missing a lotion.
the gift cards that they
That
use,
one's missing a lotion.
kind of a major thing for
Well,
us.
they were falling apart in the bag, so.
Wait, they're getting arrested though, right?
They're all $40 a piece, basically.
And then who
Yeah, but
was
you
it
can't even
actually
tell that
was
came from that
watching,
store, though.
Well, all of us, we're all doing something
Yeah.
and all had a nice look. Like, we guys are watching, but we're all kind
Yeah,
of
I
doing
know
stuff,
somebody
too.
said the strawberry bag and they saw him putting it. Was that the person that left?
No, she's there.
Okay.
She's down there.
Oh, they got an eyewitness.
The strawberry pound cake
Yeah,
bag.
she was
Yeah.
right there.
All right, yeah, I'll have
Thank you.
Okay, but, oh, so,
She has the individual ones, I think.
okay. And you saw them putting these into one of their bags?
Oh, the guy, yeah.
Okay, because yeah, he had a strawberry bag out there, I know
Yeah.
you had said.
Yeah, so yeah.
You saw him grab these
They
and
were
place them
grabbing
into.
these, yeah. Yeah, he was putting them in there.
Okay.
He was just like,
Could I get your information, please? Okay. All right, can you put your bag on the ground for a second?
What?
Okay, you're gonna be placed under arrest right now
For what?
for obstructing and retail theft.
For obstruction?
Yep, you gave a false name to us.
My name is.
You keep playing your game.
Oh my God! You want my people to bring you on my ID? I got my ID on my phone. And what retail stuff? What did I steal, man? Huh? What did I steal, sir?
Bath and Body Works products.
What did I steal?
You were seeing her in the store.
I was what?
Okay.
I didn't. My
All right,
name
we're
is
gonna let us.
Hold on, you're in custody right now, so I can't ask any questions. So once we get down to the jail, this officer here will talk to you and interview you, read you your rights, and then she can answer your questions for you.
Wait a minute. What about my stuff?
We're gonna put it all in this car right here. It's all gonna come with you.
Okay, so what is they saying I stole, man?
We're gonna go right over this car. We can talk about it all at the police department.
Huh?
We can talk about it at the police department.
Do you know when I walked in there, I told them to hold my bags for my exchange?
Okay.
So how am I? What did I do? I never even
Let's
left
go.
the register.
West, come on.
The woman was charged with retail theft and obstructing identification. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I think that's beatable. I mean, they got the great lady saying that she seen them take stuff, but really she was saying that she seen the dude take stuff. I think her case is beatable, honestly, unless they tie them both in together, as in it's one crime and they both get charged together. That would be then, yeah. But that was a confusing one, an interesting one. I know people do flip Bath and Body Works stuff, you know, especially for Christmas time and you know the holidays and stuff. They they make little baskets and stuff like that or whatever. But yeah, this was this is an iffy case, man, honestly. But I give the officers a 3 out of 5. They I guess they did the best they could, but the case is all over the place to me. I think it's all over the place. But anyways, yeah, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.